A shipment of 11 printers contains 3 that are defective. So what is the probability that a sample size of 3 drawn from the 11 will not contain a defective printer? So it's like there are 11 printers in total. Eleven printers in total, and 3 are defective, and 8 are working, let's call it. Now we select a sample of 3 and we want that those should not be defective. So clearly those 3 should obviously be from the working ones. So out of these 8, we can select any 3. That is the favorable outcome probability. That's a favorable outcome. And the total outcome is out of 11, we select any 3. So that's how it is. So this is going to be 8C, 8C3, which is 56. We have to write it as a simplified fraction. So that is 56 over 11C3, which is 165. And since I think there is no common factor because 8 and 7 are the factors of 56, and neither 7 divides 165 nor 8 or 2. So this is the simplified fraction and the probability. Thank you.